Have you ever noticed how the arrival of spring brings with it a sense of renewal and new beginnings? It's not just about the warmer weather or the longer days, it's about the fresh energy that seems to permeate everything around us. And what better way to welcome this vibrant season into our homes than with some simple and subtle spring decorating ideas? Today, I'm excited to share with you 7 simple ways to infuse your living spaces with the spirit of spring. From fresh florals to light textiles, these ideas are all about celebrating the new life and energy that the season brings. Let's start with the first thing I like to do to welcome spring: hang a spring wreath on our front door. It's a beautiful way to signal the end of winter and the beginning of a new season. Whether you make your own or purchase a pretty faux one, it's a simple yet effective way to add a touch of spring to your home. Before diving into decorating, I believe in the power of a good spring clean. It's the perfect time to declutter, organize, and freshen up your living space. This step not only cleans our home, but also clears the way for new decorations and ideas. A console table can welcome spring with a single eye-catching floral arrangement in the center, perhaps a glass vase with fresh-cut hyacinths or daffodils. For the coffee table, a tray to corral, a small arrangement of fresh flowers, a couple of coasters, and a candle or diffuser can not only organize your space, but also make it easy to clear the table when needed. Nothing says spring like fresh flowers. I make it a point to fill our home with beautiful spring flowers like tulips and daffodils. They're a simple yet effective way to add a pop of color and a breath of fresh air into any room. The fireplace mantle often serves as a focal point in a living space. For a clean and refreshing spring look, consider placing matching clear vases on either end of the mantle, filled with simple arrangements of white tulips or daffodils. This approach adds balance and a touch of nature, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. While I love fresh-cut flowers, I also embrace the beauty of faux flowers and stems for their longevity and ease of care. Faux tulips and cherry blossoms are my favorites, adding a touch of spring that lasts all season long. As we move through the spring months, I find there's no better time to refresh our living spaces. Whether it's a small space or a large family room, there are countless ways to infuse your home with the spirit of spring. So, take this time of renewal to refresh your space and, in turn, refresh your spirit. Happy decorating!